Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Beko brand dryer and you're getting an ER06 error or an E6 error. Depending on the model, it'll display a little bit differently, but basically an error number 6 on a Beko dryer. And you're wondering, what this is and what you need to do to get rid of it. So there's kind of two steps to this, the 6 error, because the 6 error is basically the compressor is overheated. Or it senses it's overheated. So in the immediate sense, the only thing you need to do if you get this 6 error and it stops working is just turn it off and just let it cool down. Just don't even use it for like an hour and let it get good and cooled down. You might have been overusing it or something like that, and it's really hot and you haven't been able, and it hasn't been able to cool down properly. And so that might be all you need to do. If that doesn't fix the problem, then the next thing to do is, you're probably going to need to call a technician because it might be the actual thermistor that needs to be replaced, or there might be something wrong with the compressor that's causing it to overheat or something like that. But anyways, hope this video helped you figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.